Hello everyone. My name is Madan Make. Today's topic is constructors of Java. The constructors of the Java is the block of the code. It's similar to the method. It's similar to the method. The instance of creating the class, then allocate the memory in objects, allocate the memory in constructors in Java. There are the initialize of object. It's creating objects and new keywords. It's called to call of the default value in constructor. There are the main two types of the constructors. First one is non-argument constructors, that's called as a default constructor, also default constructor. Second one is a parameterized constructors. Then parameterized constructors. Two constructors are in Java program. The Java constructors are follows the rules. First one rule is the constructors name is same name of the class. Its second one is constructors is no must be the no explained in return types. Second one is must be cannot be abstract, static and final and synchronize. Let's see about the no arguments constructors, also default constructor. Default constructors are uh, any default constructors are the does not any parameters constructor. It's let's see about the example. There are no arguments. It's creating no arguments by class. The at a time of object creation. There is an example of default constructor. Second one is a parameter constructors in Java. The specific number of the parameters is called as parameter constructors. It's see the provide the same value in parameter constructors. Let's see example. That example is creating the student class. That's to creating the two constructors provide the same value is default value. Let's see the overloading the in constructor in Java. Overloading constructors in Java just like the methods are without the return types. Also overloading like the method. There are the constructors of the Java. Constructor of the Java, the initialize the objects and creating the objects, then creating the new objects and new keywords. It is called the it's called the default constructors and the default constructor and parameterized constructor. Uh, this is the constructors of overloading in constructors. That is the constructors. Thank you.